Ready to send your products over to the Amazon fulfillment centers in the UAE and KSA following the new Ship to Amazon system. If you're ready, if you want to learn all the details that you need in order to take a drop-off appointment, then this is the video for you. Are you ready? Let's get to work. If you haven't watched part 1 of this video, I will leave the link of that video in the video description box down below. It's very important that you watch it. What is the hierarchy of or the sequence of actually sending your products over to the Amazon fulfillment centers in the UAE, in KSA, and all over the world? Hierarchy starts, or the system starts, with you creating a listing. That's the number one thing that you need to do. Create a listing. After you create a listing, you create what is known as a shipping plan, basically notifying Amazon how many units you're sending and how they will be packaged over to the particular fulfillment center. Once you do that, Amazon allocates a certain fulfillment center in the marketplace that you are selling in. So they tell you exactly the address of the fulfillment center. After that, and that's part number 3, that is also very important, this is where you need to take an appointment in order to drop off those products that you created a shipping plan for to that particular fulfillment center. Amazon have recently updated their system. We used to create appointments, or we used to get appointments through a separate website called Amazon Carrier Central. Right now, you're able to do all of that inside of one account inside your Amazon Seller Central. Let's jump on the computer so I can show you how you can do it. So I'm inside of Amazon Seller Central for the UAE. I'm in what is known as the shipping queue. So I've already done part 2, which means I've already created a shipping plan, and I have been allocated a certain fulfillment center, which just happens to be the XB3. Remember, you need to choose the right appointment based on the fulfillment center that Amazon provides you. Now, the third and final step for me sending these units over to the fulfillment center is taking an appointment. So you go into your inventory and you go to manage FBA appointments, because that's what I'm doing. I want to create an appointment. Now, whatever appointments you already have, they're going to be showcased here, so you can make any changes. So those are appointments that we took ahead of time, and I can come here and I can view the appointment, I can cancel the appointment, I can print the confirmation, which is very important, and I can reschedule the appointment. But let's book a new FC appointment. Remember, I got the XP3, so I'm gonna choose the XP3 again, and it's showing the appointments or the shipping plans that are already, that I can take an appointment for, basically. And as you can see right here, it says it might take up to 30 minutes for newly created shipments to be reflected here. So whenever you create a shipment, you need to wait 30 minutes to an hour for it to reflect here so you can book an appointment. Let's just choose the first one and check appointment availability. And this fantastic system, now that they have updated it, makes things so much clearer. So I'm filming this video on July 12th, and as you can see, Amazon have provided me a clear window for the next month, approximately, a little bit more than that, of what is going to be, what are the available appointments. So as you can see, the orange colored ones, which are 12, 13, 14, and 15, it says filling up fast, which means I'm not going to potentially find the appointment that I like at the time that I want. Whereas on the 16th and 19th, 16th, and 18th, and all of the green slots, they're still available, as you can see here. Whereas on the 17th and on the 19th, it's completely full. So it would make sense for you to decide and choose which appointment that you want based on what you see right here and based on what you want. So let's say I want to take an appointment on Friday. So I've chosen Friday. First of all, they've divided it into like a very precise timing and a more general timeline. Let me show you what I mean. So right here, you can say late night, early morning, morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Now, depending on who is dropping off the product. So If you are dropping them off yourself, yes, you can do that. You just need to make sure that you're wearing a safety vest and safety shoes. So you can potentially, maybe it would be nicer for you to drop them off late at night. But if it's your courier company or if it's a shipping company, I'm sure they're not going to be willing to drop them off at 12 o'clock midnight. You're potentially maybe need to choose, definitely talk to your courier company and your shipping company and see what time is preferable for them. But maybe you just need to choose morning, afternoon, and evening. So let's just choose afternoon here. And I can see that I've got available in the afternoon from 11:30 to 2. So I have a time slot of 30 minutes. And based on the size of the selected shipments, the shipments that I'm sending, they're saying they need 30 minutes to unload my freight at the fulfillment center, which is great. So I can confirm the appointment and it confirms instantly, directly. It doesn't require time. You don't need to wait. You don't need to wait for an email. There it is right here. It has been confirmed on the 16th at 1:30 till 2. It's confirmed. I've got all of the information. Right now, you need to do something additional. First of all, I need to print the confirmation. I'll insert the confirmation right now on the screen and show you what it what it looks like actually. So as you can see right here on Amazon, they're saying you need to print 2 copies of the confirmation, print out appointment confirmation, and you need to provide 2 copies of an invoice or a delivery note. A delivery note mostly looks like a packing list. Sometimes, depending on the shipping company or your courier company might be the ones who are going to be creating a delivery note, or you can create it your own. I'm just going to leave a very simple template of a delivery note that you can create. I will leave it linked in the description box below so you can download it and use it. It's a very simple delivery note where you just need to add all of the details of the products that are going to be delivered. So you need to tell your shipping company or yourself, if you're delivering the products, that you need 2 copies of both in order to be able to send the products over to the Amazon fulfillment center. Now, a lot of Amazon sellers constantly ask, what if I book an appointment at a time that my shipping company, they can't deliver at that time, or my courier company is not happy with that time? As you saw, it's very easy to reschedule. So you can reschedule the appointment and choose a time that is more appropriate to whoever is delivering the products for you. Additionally, a lot of freight forwarders and shipping companies opt to take the appointment themselves so that there's no back and forth between you taking the wrong timing. They need to, they have obviously other deliveries that they need to deliver, so they need to factor that in. So it's very normal for a shipping company or freight forwarder to take an appointment themselves. They would just require some additional information related to the shipping plan so that they can schedule the appointment. And that's it. Very simple video, very simple and easy way for you to take a fulfillment center drop-off appointment. Remember, it's a drop-off appointment for you to drop off the products in the Amazon fulfillment center. Nobody's gonna come and pick up the products from your address. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.